I will.
Car.
Hold on one second.
We are just south of Millsap, Texas, just east of Mineral Wells, southeast of Mineral Wells. Tornado on the ground.
Might be a second one on the ground over there.
It's moving right at us, Mike.
Oh my God, that was crazy. Coming all the way at me. Which way is it headed?
Southeast.
Sort of.
The way everything's been building.
Probably. We might worry a little bit about it.
That's backtracking. It's definitely pulling back.
There might be another tornado in there. I can't tell. Yes. That looks like it's coming this way. Am I mistaken? I'm gonna put my hand I'll move. Higher.
Way out the north. That thing's moved left, Mike, from its original point. It hasn't moved an inch. I mean, if anything, it's gone a little west.
It's going west, yeah. Might be cutting itself off right now.
Yeah.
What's that one in the back behind?
Yeah.
I get a picture of you.
Oh, look at it. You can see this stuff coming up out of it.
Dude, look at this. Hey, yeah.
Car.
Don't get his feet.
Of course, I got people on my Facebook asking me if it's going to hit Norman.
Look at that sucker. That's
Dude,
awesome.
that thing has moved west. It's coming right at us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's turning down here low. Whoa!
You can see it better about a mile down the road.
Can you see it better?
You can see back across
Give us more room up there too, back up top of the hill. Maybe we can see it on the ground. That thing has definitely shifted southwest. True. That motion coming out of it right there. I think this thing's about done. Wind's back out of the south. Nope, and there's the north again. Watch your heads. Roping out.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Is that cool or what? Maybe a video of this. Woo!
I got it.
Woo! Oh, man.
Gone. I think it's cycling back up here further to the east. Oh, that was phenomenal.
That was cool, man.
That was phenomenal.
Cool. Great. Take the